welcome again to NTV TZ Nyumbani. My name is Peter and today I'm accompanied by a lovely beautiful lady, Nelly, and we're doing a leg workout. Two equipments I've requested for: a water bottle like this one, 2 to 3 liters of your choice, and I hope you have a seat next to you, or a chair or a table or something like this, a desk, anything, okay, plastic. I hope you have something on your reach that you can be able to use. Now we'll start with a small warm-up. We're here, just 20 counts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have any injuries and you can't do it further, like you can't jump up, just even here on the side up because up. Those are 12. Okay, good start. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. From there, tunaingia mountain climbers, 20 count. Okay, good stuff, guys. You ready? Let's go. 20 Nelly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nelly count. Now, if you want to feel it much more intense, if you want the intensity to be much more, try and make sure that your speed is faster. Alright? But if you can't, enda pole pole, hakuna shida. Push it. Good job. Good stuff. Simama. How are you feeling? From there, tunafanya wall push-up. These are very good starter for someone who has problems doing a push-up. You can actually practice doing a wall push-up. So twende hapo Nelly, mikono miguu pamoja. You ready?
Yes.
Twende. 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 counts peke yake. Still a warm up. Those are 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 10, 9, let's go. 8, push it. 7, 6, give me 5, give me 4, give me 3, give me 2, and 1. Good start. From there, Nelly, go up. Just 20 counts. Then we are done with our warm-up for today. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Twende kazi. Those are 5, 6, good stuff. Twende. 7, 8, 9. Those are 10. 10 more. Twende. 1, good job. 2, push it. 3. Leo ni miguu. We're doing legs. We're working a lot. We're going to focus on the whole leg, and also going to focus on our glutes. All right. So get ready. This warm up helps. Good job, Nelly.
10.
Perfecto. I believe you are a bit warm. If not a bit, I believe you are quite warm. All right. So we're starting with our first workout. We're doing a pulse squat. So basically, a pulse squat, you just be there, up. Okay. Up. All right. We're doing 30 reps. For the advanced, we're doing 15 to 20 reps for your starters and intermediate. Then you turn. Good job. 5, 6 to the left, 7, 8, 9. Those are 10. 1, 2. If you can't go as low as Nelly, Nelly count. If you can't go as low as Nelly, just enda tu hapo chini penye unaweza hapo kidogo, then come back up. Hapo. For our senior people at home, for someone with an injury, if you can't go as low as Nelly is going, as fast as she's going, just go lower or to up. Okay? Take your speed. Good job, Nelly. Good stuff. From there, tunaingia sidewalks. So on a sidewalk, I want you to go on a good squat position, up. Alright? Then you can put your hands anywhere. Majority of us, we prefer if you have a weight, which we're going to use our bottle for the weight. We're holding our bottle here, then we'll be walking there. Sawa? Up. Then back to the other side. Nelly, use your bottle, hold the bottle. Twende kazi. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Push it. Good. Good. Endelea Nelly. Good job. Good job. Good job. This one we're going to use a timer. Endelea Nelly. I'll presume we have done 20 seconds. So 20 more seconds to go. So these ones will make sure that at least we are doing a 40-second workout in terms of the timer, okay? Good job, Nelly. You're doing perfect. You're doing awesome. Tuendelee. 10 more seconds to go. 5 more seconds. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. How you feeling? Relax the legs, walk the legs. Remember, if you have an injury, if you can do, or if one of our senior joining us, if you can go as low as Nelly is going, just go to your farthest that you can and just try to do the same workout. You don't have to have an equipment. You can just use a plane, just be on your own body weight. Alright? Nelly, we good? From up, maybe a wall squat. Now, with the wall squat, I want you to go next to your wall. Every house has a wall, I'm sure. So, go to the wall, hold the bottle here, and squat up. Okay, we're doing a 45 second back up. 45 seconds back up. If your house is slippery, use your mat to step on your mat. Okay, Nelly? Yeah. Place it for you there. Perfect. Step on the mat. Are we ready? Wait, our timer starts in now. 45 seconds. Wall squat. Turn the belly. Sink in a bit. Up or good job. Up. Bring the bottle closer to your chest. Up. Good stuff, guys. Turn the body. I'm counting the timer. We have 30 more seconds to go. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Your quads, your hamstring, your calves raises. Calves leo lazima pia tuzifanyie kazi eh. Tunaguza mguu yote na glutes bado eh. How are you feeling? Good stuff. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the workout. Okay, I hope you're repeating it. This is a simple workout you can do at home. You can do it anywhere. Sawa sawa. These are commodities that you can actually find in your own compound. Then we still have 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 5 more.
Thank you.
3, 2, and 1. Good stuff. Relax. Breathe. 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 I'm taking our next workout. So from there, tunaingia step ups. For the step ups, for the beginners, we're doing at least 15. For your beginners and intermediate, 15 to 20 reps. Then for the advanced, we're doing at least 30 reps. Alright? Nelly, we're doing 30 reps. So I'll set everything for you here, Nelly. Up. There's your water. So you're holding the water here. You ready? Yes. We are ready for you guys. Are you ready? Sawa. Our workout starts now. Turn it, Nelly. Good stuff. 1, 2, 3. If you can't go high, if you have a knee injury, if you're elderly and you cannot step up, if you have a house step, anything that can be at least elevate your step from the ground, even an inch, you can use that. Okay. Yes, between. Good job. Push it. Push it. How many are those?
15.
15. 5 to go. 5 to go. Nearly we're doing 20 reps. If you can go for 30, go for 30. If you can't go for 20, go for 10. Alright. How many to go?
2 more.
Last 2. Good job, Nelly. And the last one. And perfect. Relax. Take a minute to breathe. Take 10 seconds. Breathe. Relax. Walk those legs. You know, relax kidogo. Wipe the sweat off your face. Get a glass of water. Take a seat. Then tunaendelea with the next leg. Nelly, I'm ready for you. We start. Change the leg. You ready? We are ready. Are you ready? Perfect. Tuende kazi, Nelly. 1, 2. Good stuff. 4. Those are 4 guys. Those are 5. Tuendelee. 6. Tunafanya mguu, tuko mguu. 7. Tuende kazi. Good job. 8. Perfect. 9. 10 to go. 10 to go. Push it. Push yourself. If you can do 15, if you can do 10, do whatever rep you can. Do what rep you can, okay? If you're advanced group, guys, I expect you to push it 20, 25, 30. Alright? Good job. Push it. Push it. How many to go? 2 more. Last one. And good job, Nelly. Relax. 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 Mguu kidogo. Relax. Kama uko na glasi ya maji hapo, take a sip. Relax. Relax those legs. The next workout tunaingia kickbacks. Glutes maneno. Alright. So Nelly will still use this seat here. So a kickback, push your bench at least against the wall to make sure that it doesn't slide. Then you raise your leg up, up. Okay, we're working on our glutes. In case you have some ankle weights or mostly ankle weights, if you have an ankle weight that you can tie it here to make your leg a bit more heavier and be able to kick back as well. It will increase the intensity of the workout as well, and it will help you greatly. So if you have, kindly tie it. Alright? Nelly, for us, we don't have right now, so we're going to push for 30 reps. I'm ready, Nelly, are you ready?
Yeah.
Our workout starts now. 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it. 5, 6. Glutes to papa. Glutes, glutes, glutes. Push it. Then you count.
10.
Good job. Don't quit, don't quit, don't quit. This one you can do it, you can hack it. Let's go up. Just kick it back. Kick it. Good job, Nelly. Kick it. Kick. Yes. 10 more. 10. 9. Push it. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Good stuff. Relax the leg. Mama, just relax the leg. Take a second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It doesn't have to take your breath. Catch your breath, okay? Good stuff. From there, I'm gonna change the other leg. 30 reps. Everyone, up hakuna story advance. This one you can. It's your body weight, my friend. You can try. Anyway, intermediate to beginners, push yourself 15 to 20. Advanced, try push for 30 or more, okay? Perfect, guys, let's go.
8.
Those are 8,
Yeah.
9, those are 10, 20 to go. From the leg. Remember, we expect your feedback, people. Give us some feedback. For those who are watching us from home, I hope you're enjoying the workout every day. So leo tuchome miguu pia, and see you tomorrow again with Eve for another session. Twende kazi, how you feeling, Nelly? Good stuff.
3,
How many to go?
2, 1.
Good stuff. And relax. You see, I'm also sweating, yeah? I'm also sweating. Yes. Relax, miguu hapo. Relax, miguu. Are we okay? Are we good? From hapo tunaingia overhead squat. We're using the bottle again. Now, for the overhead, I want you to remember one thing. Your hands must stay still, straight up. So, I'm here. I'm doing the squat. My hands are up, up, straight. Up. So, then you come back up. Up. So constantly all through, as you go up, as you go down, your hands remain up, up. Nelly, we are ready for you. Let me move this for you. Twende kazi, are we ready? Are we ready? Twende kazi, Nelly. 1. Good. 2. 23. Give me 4. 5. Twende kazi. 6. 7. Today hizo miguu lazima zimee. Hizo miguu lazima zimee, lazima zipate power. Those are 10. 20 more reps. You're doing awesome. Push it. 1, 2, 3. Remember, hii mat lazima ibaki juu, over the head. That's what it's called an overhead squat. Ibaki juu. Those are 5, right?
6.
Those are 7. Those are 8. Those are 9. And that's 10. 10 to go. Push yourself. You can do it. It's all here. The power is all here. Good stuff. 8 more. Give me 7 more reps, guys. 6 to go. Last 5. 4 more. Good job, Nelly. 3 to go. Last 2. Last 1. Awesome. Congratulations. From there, as Nelly catches her breath, tunaingia a lunch. But now, today's lunch, I want us to do it a bit different. Okay? So place your water bottle down. Let's say you place it on top of the mat. Up. So now, our lunch today, I'm going to be on the lunge position. So this is the lunge position up. So this is what we're doing. We're skipping over this bottle up. Remember, the knee almost touching the floor. This one, almost touching the floor. Posture very important. Make sure that there's a big gap in between your legs. Usikaribishane mguu sana. Alright, then you take the one leg down and you go chini, take it over the bottle and the other side. Yeah, it's a good challenge. If you have any problem and you can't do it, just do your normal lunge. Hapo tu, the farthest you can go. Okay, here, the farthest. If that's the farthest you can go, no problem. It's okay. If you can go as low as this, no problem. Take it there. Nelly, I'll set it out here for you. Come stand this side. Are we ready? We are ready. We good? Okay. This one for advanced, maybe 15 to 20. For beginners and intermediate, we can do 10. Right? For me and Nelly, we're going to do 15. If you can push it over and above 15, no problem. Nelly, we ready? Let's go. Good start. 1, 2, good.
Balance.
3, relax your hands. Relax your hands for balance. Yes, you for perfect. Good stuff. 6. Good job. 7. You're doing perfect. You're doing well. Don't stop. You're doing good. Don't stop. It's a learning curve. Who's that 10? 11. Balance. Balance. Yes. Relax. 4 to go. 4 to go. Then you're almost there. 4 more guys. 20 guys. If you're coming and delay, bado hakuna shida. 3 to go. 2 to go. Last one. Done. You change the other leg. Alright. But Lisha, how are you feeling then? Yeah? The legs, the burning sensation, it's real. Remember, go over the bottom. Up.
You're very flexible.
Are we good? We are good. We are ready for you next. Turudi kazi tena. Kazi kwako, kazi kwako. We are ready. We're starting again. 15 reps. If you can do more, awesome. Tuendelee kazi. 1, 2. Good job, Nelly. 3. You can do it. You can do it. 4. Good job, Nelly. Those are 5. Push it. 6. Push it. 7. Push it. 8. Push it. Those are 9, guys. Hey, 25 more. Those are 4 to go. 3. Good job. 2 to go. And to the last one. Perfect. Last workout before we take our break for at least a minute. Okay? We're doing the calf raises. Alright? Now, for the calf raises, this is what I want us to do. I'll start with my right leg. Place your hands against the wall. Okay? Enda kwa ile ukuta. Perfect. Ile ukuta. Mguu yako ya left, curl it backwards. I'm holding my 3-liter water bottle on my right hand side. Okay? Now, the workout we're using our toes. So you lift your toes up, then down. Toes up, down. Toes up, down. Toes up, down. Remember, this leg, yenye iko chini, not this one that we have curled at the back. The one that is on the floor, straight. Make sure that your knee is locked. Okay? Up. Usibend knee. Keep your knee straight. Up. Keep the leg straight. Up. Alright? This is what we're targeting, the calf. Perfect. Nelly, hope you're ready. We are ready for you. We're starting our workout now. Get ready, Nelly. Let's go. 1. 30 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6. Calves, guys. Calf raise is very good for your calves. Hapa. Jenga mguu yote mzima, mguu grow. Sikuwe huku alafu hapa hakuna kakitu, my friend. It needs to be proportional. Good job. 4, 3, 2, last 10. Twende kazi. 10, 9. Enjoy that burning sensation. Feels good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. How you feel?
It's burning.
It's real, eh? It's real, eh? So it's not going here, it's going here.
No, it's going
Perfect. I hope you're also feeling it. Upper kwa calf. Okay, then we change the other hand. We are ready. I hope you're ready. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can't do it with the water bottle, you can still do it without the water bottle. It's fine. Body. If you have something heavier that you would like to use, you can change the water bottle for that. Okay? Good job. Pendele. Remember, some of these workouts, as you're doing it even for you at home, you need to vary it based on your fitness level. For a bodybuilder or for someone who's actively indulged in the gym on an everyday basis, 3 liter might feel very light. So if you have something that is a bit heavier that you can do with, please indulge it and use that particular equipment that you have. How are you feeling, Nelly? So we take a 1 minute breather, relax, okay? We still do an active rest, okay? So our active rest will be at least hapo. Some jumping squat up. Just kumi peke yake. That's our active rest for at least 30 seconds, then tuendelee. Leo tunakalia miguu ngumu, jumping squat, at least 10 jumping squats peke yake. Then we start again the second set. Let's go. 1, let's go. 1, 2, twende kazi. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Tunaingia the second set. We might not finish the second set with you because of time, but I want you to finish it up. Go online, get this clip on Facebook. Get the clip, replay it. Do as many sets as possible. We ready? We're starting again with the pulse squat. So this one we're keeping our breaks very short, very minimal. Let's see if we can actually hit the second set together. If not, kindly go back online and get this clip and do more. At least 2-3 more sets. Go in. We ready? Tunaanza na pulse squats. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. 1. We'll do 20-20 of everything. That we finish up the second set together. Then make sure, even if you don't get finished together with us, make sure you go back Facebook and get the page. Perfect. Second workout, we're doing the side walks. Upper. Then we starting here, going that side. Side walk. I want you to go low. Okay, as low as you can to squat and just walk on the sides. If you have a band, the elastic band, place it here. Over your knees, kidogo, place it there, gives you much more resistance. Then we do the side walk. Then we ready? With there. With there. Turn the guys. I'm timing. Yes. Turn the guys. We're doing 30 seconds. Turn the line, Nelly. Good job. Push it. Push yourself. You can do it. I promise you can do it. Good job, Nelly. Good job. Our timer, 15 more seconds. Turn the Nelly. Good job. Yes. Feel that burning sensation, eh? Hey, turn the cars. You're almost there. Good job, Nelly. Let's go. Good job, Nelly. 5 to go. And stop. Perfecto. Toka hapo tunaingia kwa wall. Wall squats. Remember, for those who have just joined us, kama umejoin tu sahi, wall squat. I want you to place your bottle there. Sit up comfortably. Imagine there's a seat here. Comfortable. There. For only 30 seconds. Okay. Good job, guys. Nelly, we ready? I'm ready for you. Have your bottle there. Our 30 seconds timer starts now. Twende kazi. 30 seconds. Keti hapo. Imagine kuna kakiti hapo, eh? Hapo. Imagine kuna kakiti hapo. Just sit. Venye tumeketi hapa na Nelly vizuri. Sasa tunaweza piga story. Never had seen.
I am so tired.
I know you love it. The legs are burning. Yours should also be burning. Okay? Perfect. Nelly tumeketi. You have 10 more seconds, Nelly. No. Let's go. Perfect. Nelly is just like you. There's nothing unique about Nelly. Just like you. If you feel the pinch too much, take a breather kidogo for a second. Perfect. Our timer is up. From there tunaingia duck walks. Now, same posture for the duck walk. I'm insisting, try as much as you can for your hamstring. Ijaribu kuguzana na the calf. Hapo chini. So you sit as low as you can, then you walk. Then you walk back. Are we good, Nelly? Are we ready? We're doing a 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. Because of time. 30 seconds. Our timer starts. Wait, Nelly. Perfect. Twende kazi. Start. Good job. Ivo, I want you to go as low as Nelly is going. Go as low. Now, if you have a knee issue, if you're elderly, if you can't be able to go that low, go as low as you can. Go as low as you can. Okay? This is for you. It's not for your neighbor. for you. So listen to your body. Nelly, you have 5 more seconds, Nelly. We are doing fine. Let's go. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 20, 3, 2, and 1. Our timer is up. Perfect. Relax those legs, baby. We're almost there. Bakisha wako zingine 5, then we are done. Hapo, relax now. Relax, relax, relax. Tunaingia step ups. We are ready. How are you feeling? You have your stool ready. You have your seat there. It could be the plastic seat. It could be any other seat that you have. Kuna shida. Step on. Number 2. Ensure whatever seat we are using, seat hiyo tafadhali, yeah? We don't want injuries. Then you ready? Step this way. Perfect. 20 each leg. Twende kazi. Shikilia bottle hapa. Yes, there.
Oh, my balance.
Let's go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it, guys. Push it. 5. Like I said, if your seat doesn't have to be as high as this one. Hata kama imefika hapa chini. Okay? Kama imefika chini, it's okay. Tuendelee leo. And make sure you step in the center hapa katikati, yeah? So that you're able to balance the chair or you're able to balance the table and you avoid any injuries, attack injuries. How many to go?
1.
Last one. Good. Relax. Change. So change mguu. Relax it. Ni sawa. Relax mguu hapo. Shake it a bit. You can shake it a bit. You can shake it a bit. Shake it, shake it. Good job. I'm loving the fact that she's enjoying it the way I believe you're enjoying it at home. Okay. Good stuff. Twende kazi baby. We have a leg. Tumalizie. 20 reps peke yake. You ready? Step in the center there. Perfect. We good? Twende kazi. 1. Good job, Nelly. 2. Push it. Those are 3. Tuendelee. 5. Push it. 6. Step up. Twende kazi. 7. We're almost there, guys. Finishing up. 8. Push it. 9. Those are 10. Thank you for joining us. Let's do a small stretch. Nelly, good job. Small stretch. Then we call it a day. Sawa? Let's go here. Go upande moja. Good stuff. The other side. Good. Step forward. Lega mbele. Shika. Vidole. Yes, good stuff. Now the leg. I hope you have enjoyed the leg workout. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned every Monday to Friday. NTV TZ Nyumbani. You don't want to miss. Give us your feedback. Okay, Nelly, hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
God bless. See you again. Have a good day. Cheers.